up, everybody? Welcome to Eyes Open TV. I'm back. You already know it's your boy Jamal. Hey, I'm here today to let's basically talk about some health products that I use every day that keeps me refreshed, keep me energy, give me a lot of energy. As you know, I'm a vegetarian, so not just vegetarian. I'm saying I'm a plant-based person, so I always get into herbs, man. I study a lot of herbs, and I take a lot to help my body. So out of all the ones I got here today, I want to speak on this one right here, which is Irish sea moss. And this is a good one. This product is by Star West Botanicals. I use Star West Botanicals all the time. They got some good stuff. They're real fast at shipping. When you order it, they have some reasonable prices. But their Irish sea moss is great. Usually in the morning, how I prepare it, if usually I have it in a pill form, or most likely I put it in my protein shakes. When I come from the gym or anything, I take a little scoop of it and I put it into my protein shake. And I take it like that, or I just might mix it with some of the other herbs and just with a cup of water, swallow it, take it down right here. But some of the benefits of Irish sea moss is your body is comprised of 102 minerals. Irish sea moss has 92, right off top. So this is a good source of vitamins that you can get for your body. Helps with your skin, anti-inflammatory, everything. So Irish sea moss is like one of the best herb. Now all of them, what I think, Dr. Sadie approved too. So, but just me personally and how I've been feeling off of this one, you must have. Like, this is one that you need to be taking every day to help with anything. The next one we'll talk about is Moringa. This company, Hardy Naturals, this is my first time using this one. Usually I kind of just, cycle through a lot of companies just to test out, and see how their product is. But this one right here, I just been taking this one, and it's been pretty good. We all know Moringa is an anti-inflammatory herb. It helps with arthritis and all that stuff. Any kind of anti-inflammatory, any kind of inflammatory stuff that comes into the system. But it helps with that. It's a good source of iron, real good source of iron. Got more calcium than milk. Moringa, more calcium than milk. Let that sink in. And another thing, what I noticed when I be taking Moringa, it helps with your mental clarity, and which that's one of the benefits of it. It helps soothe you, helps you get your brain functioning in the morning and everything. So this is a good one to take, real good one. This is another must have that you must need every day. Take your teaspoon of it. Not a teaspoon, but a tablespoon of it, and mix it up with your drinks in the morning, with your normal morning regimens. So that's another good one, Moringa. The second one I have is Spirulina. Spirulina is real good. Now, this one here, particularly, the company is Essential Living Foods. I've been using them for quite a while now, so they're pretty good. Their product is pretty good. And one thing a lot of people don't know about Spirulina, it is high source of protein, very high source of protein. Just this is a 2 ounce bag, and 1 tablespoon of it has 4 grams of protein. That's just 1 tablespoon, and it's only 25 calories on it. So, and usually this right here usually have about like 8 servings, which it says 8 servings on it. Very good stuff. This stuff helps alkalize the body, makes the body go alkaline. It's a, like I say, it's a good good source of protein, some of the macronutrients, and like I say, just a 2-ounce bag contains a lot of the protein in it. So spirulina is real good, real good, real good. And another thing, I forgot to say about this is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is like the best stuff that you really need in your body. Plant blood, that's all it is. Plant blood, and help heal anything, cuts, anything you got in your body, helps heal up. There's so many benefits to chlorophyll. I'll put some up and let you know. So that, but here's the heavyweight right here. This is another one from Star West Botanicals. Like I said, I love Star West Botanicals. They got good products. They have this one. It's a 100% organic green powder blend. Now, this stuff has a lot of herbs in it, like for instance, barley grass, wheatgrass, spirulina. They have spirulina in it. Spinach, alfalfa leaf, kelp, lemon peel, dandelion leaf. That's just to name a few. It's got over like 10 of them in here. It's all blended together. Just 1 tablespoon. This is a 4-ounce bag. I usually order all mine in 4 ounces, but 3 grams of protein. So it's pretty good. 25 calories. So, but this right here, ever since I've been taking this stuff, my allergies was off the chain. My allergies was wild. So I started taking this right here, and helped it die down. So it was pretty good. I recommend this product from this company. You want some good stuff, recommend this. Now, one thing I do get from a lot of people, they be asking, oh man, you take these herbs and are they good? As far as tasting. Now here's the thing. Some of these things are good. It's just got a regular taste. I really can't. I don't know what regular is, but it's just a flat taste. It ain't nothing nasty. Now some of these herbs they're nasty, like milk thistle, sea buckthorn, burdock root. Oh man, you put those in your shake. It ain't really nothing that you can do with that. They're gonna take over the whole shake. Tablespoon of it takes over the whole shake. So it just make it nasty. And from what I found, so those I usually take those in the pill form. So you make it. You can get on Amazon, order some. You can go vegan capsules, vegetarian capsules. They got a lot of them on there. You can order those, put them in pill form, and put the nasty herbs in pill form and take them in pill form. Or you can take all these in pill form. Like say you don't want to put them into your shake. You don't want to make them get anything nasty or nothing like that. So you can just, like I say, just put them in the pill form and take them like that. You ain't gotta worry about it. But if you're a real soldier, you're gonna take it straight raw. But like I said, this is just an alternative to put them in the pills. But normally, I take all mine and I make me a blend. I take all of them, just pour them all in my one container. And in the mornings, when I want to put them in my shake, open up, take me a spoon, boom, put it in the shake, or put it in my just a little cup full of water, and I have all of them mixed together. Put it around, boom, get out the way. Just quick and simple. But if you're looking, like I say, if you're looking for some good products to go find, Star West Botanicals. Star West Botanicals is real good. They're on Amazon, and they have a lot of products. So always, when you're looking for natural medicines, other than going to the pharmacies and looking stuff, always research about what herbs you can get and what herbs or certain herbs for certain things. So this is one good company that I would recommend that you go check out. I check them out all the time. So, but yeah, the benefits of these, just herbs period, man, the power of them. God put all herbs on here. Herbs and healing nation. You already know it. Herbs healing nation. So please check out some of those companies and check out some herbs. If you got any kind of questions or anything, go in the comments. I'll answer a lot of stuff, help you out if you're looking for something. Other than that, this is Eyes Open TV, and it's your boy Jamal. Catch you next time. I'm out.